Today, we are going to stage an adaptation from the play Importance of Being Honest by Oscar Wilde, where conflicts arise from love, intrigues, and duplicity. Jack Worthing and Algernon Moncrief are dear friends. Gwendolen, a cousin of Algernon, is going to get proposal from Jack. But in order to propose her, Jack needs to pretend named Ernest. She is too fascinated about the name Ernest. Lady Bracknell, mother of Gwendolen, doesn't like Jack at all. She is the thorn in the love story. Cecily is the ward of Jack Worthing, also fascinated about the name of Ernest too. She sent her governess, Miss Prism, and Dr. Chasuble on a romantic walk. By taking the advantage, Algernon pretends to be Ernest, come to visit and propose Cecily. Being driven by love, Gwendolen goes to see the country house of Jack, and there she finds Cecily.
Let me introduce you to myself. I'm Cecily Cardio. I'm Mr. Worthing's word.
Cecily Cardio. What a sweet name.
Come here and sit.
But Mr. Ernest never told me that he had a word.
It's not Ernest, it's his elder brother.
He never mentioned that he had a brother.
Because they're not in a good relationship since long.
That must be the reason why. Oh, you must be wondering who am I to Ernest. Well, I am his fiancée.
Wrong? I'm his fiancé, you're not.
No, you were wrong. I'm his fiancée. You were a slut. Don't try to snatch him back.
And you're a rotten egg. I will definitely snatch him back.
Oh, you don't talk like that.
Okay, Jack is here.
Gwendolen.
And here is my aunt.
Uncle Jack. Algernon, what on earth are you doing here?
Are you called Algernon?
I cannot deny it.
Oh,
And do you call Jack?
I could refuse, but my name is definitely Jack Worthing, and I'll tell you the truth.
there is an extreme deception between us.
My poor Cecily, you will call me sister, won't you?
Yes, sister. Men are very frauds.
Let's go, sister. We don't have business with this god.
I wanted to get married to Gwendolen.
I don't understand, Cecily. Actually, I have an idea.
Actually, I have an idea. Gwendolen, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Gwendolen, a beauty that makes me want to come down for you. But I'm so afraid of your mother. I like that I can visit to you. I like to see the glimpse of you. You are the definition of beauty. So, I'm sorry. I am sorry.
Cecily. Cecily, you are beautiful. It makes me want to lie for you. Honest, told me not to come, but here I am to be with you. I'm sorry. I am sorry. I apologize. Mr. Worthing, why did you pretend to be have the name of Honest?
What a wonderful question, Gwendolen. I have the same question.
Telling is only because of the opportunity to see you in the town.
It was also so that I could have seen you, my dear Cecily.
But your Christian name is still a barrier.
Our names, is that all? But we're going to be Christian this afternoon.
Really?
Of course, my love. I can do anything for you, my love. But
I will also do everything for you, my dear Cecily.
Lady Bracknell,
what happens? Lady Bracknell?
Mama, I'm engaged to Mr. Honest.
No, you are not.
Come sit there and do it. Sit there and do it.
Yes, Lady Bracknell, I wish to marry your daughter.
You want nothing of that, good sir? afternoon.
What a pity. Although the poor fellow faced many serious illnesses, now that he has gone, may I ask, who is this young lady, my nephew, holding it in a romantic manner?
Well, this is Mrs. Lee Cardew, granddaughter of Mr. Thomas Cardew, who was my guardian.
Aunt Augusta, we're engaged.
Yes, Lady Bracknell. I beg your pardon? What's wrong with everyone? Mr. Ernest, is there anything worth mentioning about Miss Cecily Cardew?
Obviously, Mrs. Lee's family solicitors are marked by, and marked by.
Mark by, and mark by. I am satisfied
That's extremely kind of you, Lady Bracknell.
that you can say. Mr. Ernest, does Cecily has any little fortune? He dares in.
Oh, only 130,000 in the fund. That's nothing. It's nice to meet you, Lady Bracknell.
130,000 pounds. Well, now I can say, Miss Cecily, you are the most attractive lady. My dear LG, now I have no reason to say no. You have my consent now.
Thank you, Aunt Augusta.
Thank you, Lady Bracknell.
Sorry to interrupt, but this marriage cannot happen. I am her legal guardian and I'll definitely not give that.
Upon what grounds? May I ask?
May I ask as well?
Actually, there's nothing in my hand, Lady Bracknell. It's all up in your hand.
On my hand?
Yes, Lady Bracknell. I'll give my consent only if you give your consent about my marriage to Wendell.
How absurd! This is not the destiny I have chosen for my Wendell. Come, lady, we must catch train at 6.
Everything is ready for christening, Mr. Warding. And you, Mr. Morton.
Well, I don't think that's needed for both of us, Dr. Chasuble.
Yes, Dr. Plausible. I do not think it necessary anymore.
I'm so grieved to hear such sentiments from you, Mr. Warding, and from you also. Whatever. I don't want to waste your time anymore. Miss Prism is waiting for me in the garden.
Prisma? Miss Prisma? Did I hear you mention Miss Prisma?
Jesus Christ! Yes!
I must see her now. Dr. Chasuble. Prisma! Miss Prisma! Is that you? Where's the male baby you left 28 years ago from Lord Bracknell house? Where's the baby? Oh, Lady Bracknell, pardon me. In one evening, I left the baby in another handbag in the railway station in London.
Gwendolyn, will you wait for me for 1 minute?
Maybe they just call him silly.
Miss Prism, is this the handbag you were talking about?
Yes, this is the handbag. Here is my initial. Oh, how badly I have missed my bag.
Miss Prism, I am the baby you have lost mistakenly.
You?
Yes, mother, I am your son.
No, you're not my son. I'm unmarried. Lady Bracknell knows who you are.
Lady Bracknell?
No one. Oh, I'm afraid that I'm this news. You are my poor elder sister's son and the elder brother of my dear Algie.
I have a brother after all. I knew I have a brother.
What is your teaching name?
Good heavens, I forgot that. What's my Christian name, Aunt Augusta?
Oh, it is the very name for which I described you from the start. Ernest is your Christian name after your father, General Ernest John. Oh, I couldn't think that you'll be the son of Mr. General.
My own honest, I knew from the start that you could have no other name but honest.
I have been living all my life saying nothing but the truth. Will you forgive me, my love?
Of course, love.
But teacher!
At last, Algie, at last. My nephew,
Aunt Augusta. For the first time in my life, I've understood the vital importance of being honest.